Module 3. Designing learning experience with data. Video 1. Using data to identify learning goals. Using data to identify learning goals is an essential aspect of designing effective learning experience. By analyzing students' data, teachers can identify areas where students need additional support and design instructions to meet those needs. In this content, teachers need to be familiar with various data analysis techniques to identify patterns and trends in data and to use that information to identify learning goals. Using data to identify learning goals. 1. Analyzing assessment data. One of the primary ways that teachers can use data to identify learning goals is by analyzing assessment data. By reviewing student performance on assessments, teachers can identify areas where students are struggling and adjust instruction to meet those needs. For example, if a teacher notices that many students are struggling with a particular concept, they may need to adjust their instructions to focus more on that concept. 2. Reviewing progress monitoring data. Teachers can also use progress monitoring data to identify learning goals. By analyzing data from progress monitoring assessments, teachers can identify areas where students are making progress and areas where they may need additional support. This information can be used to adjust instructions and provide additional support to help students reach their full potentials. 3. Using student feedback. Another way that teachers can identify learning goals is by using student feedback. By asking students about their learning experiences, teachers can identify areas where students need additional support or where they may be interested in learning more. This information can be used to design instructions that is more engaging and relevant to students' needs. 4. Aligning learning goals with standards. Finally, teachers can use data to align learning goals with academic standards. By analyzing students' data, teachers can identify areas where students need to meet specific standards and design instruction that help students meet those standards. This approach ensures that instructions is aligned with broader educational goals and that students are prepared for success in future academic endeavors.